Okay, got it. Thank you.
Perfect. Okay, so let me just also advise you that this will be covered under the terms of your health plan. However, you may be responsible for your insurance, for your deductible co-insurance or out-of-pocket expenses and any items that are not approved. This is already approved. I sent it to the nurse. She sent it back with an approval. So on our side, you already have an approval. And I'm going to send you a text message once you're scheduled. The first message that you do get is your approval, and then you get the reminder of your appointment. Okay?
Okay, so what was the date that we're looking for?
Nope, you're going to select a date. They do have availabilities for the end of the month, so you have, based on what they provide you, of that availability, you can choose.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. Okay. Do you have any other questions for me? Anything else I can help you with?
No, not this time. So to confirm, will that be email, app, phone call? I think I'm still a
It's going to
little.
be a text message.
Okay, got it. All right, thank you.
I send it through another department, and they send it out to you, and you'll receive that, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for being a Cigna member. Have a wonderful holiday.
You too. Bye.